Hello there, I'm Rayvon. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can have your own Jarvis. That's it. This is your final stop. You don't have to search anymore. Jarvis is ready for you. Now I'm going to run Syn Virtual Assistant, which is available for download right now,
Drive space low on DNG drive.
and you can have it to yourself. I have to be honest, you might have seen a lot of videos online showing how one guy achieves something similar to Jarvis but shares very less as to how you could do the same. And like I mentioned in my previous video, which was an introductory video, Syn Virtual Assistant is very much extendable. So today's aim is to show you guys how easily you can make a plugin that can interface with this virtual assistant on the right hand side. I'm not going to use voice command today because in order to make you all hear what it's saying, I had to enable stereo mix so it can hear its own voice, so that might get it confused. So okay, so let's start by making a simple plugin. Now I have a empty C# plugin here, a project. Okay, the project name is Jarvis. Our aim is to make a plugin that will interface with this Syn Virtual Assistant on the right hand side. Now the aim is somewhat like this. You want it to open a door when you say open door. Besides that, you're going to give an index like open door 7. So we are going to make a plugin and check how easy can it be to make a plugin that will interface with this virtual assistant. Alright, so first we go with C#, of course the C# users. Okay, so we are going to make using Syn module. Alright, let's make this fast. I don't want to waste your time or something. Project name is Jarvis. Alright, let's make a class, public class Jarvis. It's a Syn plugin. Okay, we got that. Good. And now let's make a constructor Jarvis. Okay, inside that we'll be putting some code. As for now, let's skip that part. And now we are going to create it on your command, public sealed class open door down, which is a Syn town. Very good. Inside that, let's create a constructor. What shall this constructor do? This dot add DOM. Very good. Now you're going to say something here. Be open door. Okay, done. So that is done. Now we are going to create a gear, Syn gear. Now public void, no, we need to create a class. Now public sealed class Jarvis gear, Syn gear. Yeah, of course. Inside this, we're going to create a function, public void open door. Now the reason why I'm making this tutorial related to open door is that I believe that this system can easily interact with external modules. So yes, term caller respond door number operand.value.toString plus has been opened. Will that be okay? Fine. Okay, so we are going to show you that Syn engine.add auto parser new open door term. Alright, and Syn engine dot add gear, new Jarvis gear. Alright, now that should be enough. Okay, so you might be thinking, where did this Syn module came from? Alright, see, after you install Syn Virtual Assistant, on the root directory where it's installed, you will find the module, Syn module. All you need to do is import this into your class library. Okay, after you have made this, alright, just let's build it. Completing, done. Alright, now let's exit our virtual assistant. Yes, I'm sure, buddy. Okay, go back. I go to the C# version, copy this 5 KB DLL file, and now go and paste it in the plugins folder. That's all I'm doing. I've pasted in the plugins folder. Alright, now let me run it again.
Drive space low on DNG drive.
Yeah, it's always low in DNG drive. Okay, now let me try open door 7.
Door number 7 has been opened.
Voila, door number 7 has been opened, and our code which we made here easily interacted with the virtual assistant. How easy was that? Now let me give you a very short brief explanation of what goes on. See, you created a term. A term is like a parameter. So when you say open door, a parameter has been created with that. Now you created a gear. A gear is a collection of functions. Now in that, it takes the command cmd open door. So whenever you say open door, this function gets a parameter. Its argument is ready. Now after that, if you give a number, an integer number, this function gets the number as well. So this function is ready to be executed, and yeah, it finally calls the function with all the arguments, and while it runs, so it's like open door 34. Wow,
door number 34 has been opened.
Okay, that works fine. Now let's exit this. So that was for our lovely C# users. Now we have to agree that these days, whenever you make something in a .NET language, you always have to give examples in other languages as well. Okay, so now it's time that we made Visual Basic plugin. Alright, imports Syn module dot terms. Alright, okay, that's alright. Now, okay, this is a class called Jarvis. Now let me inherit Syn plugin. Right, now let's create a constructor. Inside the constructor, oh, very bad of me. Okay, after that, let's again do that. How our Visual Basic developers might be creating. Open door term inherits, come on, inherits Syn term. Alright, sub new, inside that me dot add term. I don't need double slash here. Open door, yeah, close. I guess that's it. Okay, after that we'll need to create our gear, right? Public not interpretable class Jarvis gear inherits Syn gear. Alright, inside that we have a function public sub open door, my friend, cmd as open door term operand and as integer term, very good. Okay, cmd dot term color dot respond bracket door number operand dot value dot toString, and has been opened. Alright, That should be it. Yeah, let's provide that to the plugin. Let's do that. What we should add here, Syn engine dot add auto parser, new open door term, Syn engine dot add gear, new Jarvis gear, right? Come on, Jarvis gear, there you go. Okay, so that should be it. Are we ready to roll? Or seriously, since I'm doing this recording, I'm just thinking, hey god, this should work. Okay. Alright, so we have created a Visual Basic version as well. Now, Jarvis, come on my friend, I need to work here. We'll go back to the plugin folder, replace that with this. Okay, it's done. Let's run. Come on, Dave.
Drive space low on DNG drive.
Open door 8.
Door number 8 has been opened.
Perfect. Accept.
Are you sure?
Yes. So there you go. You have your Syn Virtual Assistant. You have the idea of how plugins are created for the Syn Virtual Assistant and how to have your own Jarvis-like system, because you can now customize anything to everything. So stop searching, stop all of your searches, you know, all the things that you do. Now just come back to Syn Virtual Assistant and let's have our Jarvis-like assistant finally. Okay guys, have fun, have a great day. If you have any doubts or any comments, just go to syn.co.in/forums and you can also post your comments here. Any suggestion is also welcomed. Alright, ciao ciao.